Okay guys, this is gonna largely be like a cleanup episode. Picking up some stuff I missed, so let's get us the rest of our HP. Yeah, baby. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh no, I don't want that. Alright, yeah. I also realized that I missed giving the kid the Veritanium in Pocatero, so I'm gonna go do that, and I'll meet you guys when I get there. Okay, back down here at the sewers.
Perfect! This is precisely what I need. You will bring me more Raritanium.
You can't be serious.
Ah, well, I tried.
Where do you put it? He went to put it in his back pocket. He's wearing swim trunks. And the rock's as big as his head. So let's go test that out. I think there's still some stuff I'm missing, but there's none off the top of my head. And then we'll just head back to Drax Fleet. Yeah, see? The Mind Glove's now only 5k. Taunter's only 1250. Glove of Doom's 5.
That's a real beauty.
Tesla's only 30, which is not bad. A drone device might not be a bad idea. They absorb hits, so. So it's like, if that spares me even more hits now, that'll be worth it. The only problem is my firepower might not be up to snuff. But whatever. So now we're going to do the actual Drax Fleet one. And I think it's going to be like, this is going to be like the second last episode, and there's going to be one more episode after this, which is going to be the last boss, essentially. Because we can all tell this isn't the last level. Here we are. I should go into gadgets, or quick select. I don't need to carry the trespass, or no, I don't have to carry the hydro displacer around everywhere. Use the drone device. Oh, I haven't even used the morph array. Just these guys. Bomb Glove is overpowered in just a second. Ah! Didn't think I needed that. Try this again. That's for putting the alarm on. So smart. Best robots ever. Like, I get that making robotic dogs is cool and all, but, you don't give them the intelligence of dogs, that's for sure. They're robots, you can give them whatever intelligence you, can. And if I can get 30k before, the Dreadnought. This isn't even... Okay. Yeah, that one's weird. Oh joy. Here's the trick. Didn't even press that. I'll use the teleporter to get away. Waiting. Waiting. Go into here and assassinate. I am him now. He never waved for me before. Why is he waving to me now? I'm so confused. Why is he shorter? Doesn't make any sense. Hi, friend. I am you now. Why is he waving? I thought he was the grumpy one. Surprise! It's like how it's a wrench. It's his weapon. Oh joy. We're gonna all in this crap. Ah, crap. Dead. Puts me here? Great. Okay, fine. I want to quick select and make... I shouldn't have all-in'd like that. Wait, what's going on? False alarm. Hey, you need to go talk to Drek about something. But Drek isn't on the ship. Drek isn't on the ship! Damn dogs. They even whimper when they die. This is tedious, though. Well, it doesn't have to be. They don't even care. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Wait for that alarm to go down. Next time they walk in and walk out, I'm gone. I'm just gonna bolt right across. Not care at all. Crap. Regret. So much regret. Why not cheese it? Oh geez, I screwed up big. No, shut the damn door! I'm dead. Oh god, I'm so stupid. I'm bad at this. It's because I don't have patience. Dogs are like, you don't smell right, but you look like it. Oh crap, I totally screwed up the rhythm. Let's say that guy's so sketchy. There's not gonna be any hay here. Jeez. Now, just because I have extra health doesn't mean I should be throwing it away, but... What am I doing? Just walk. Walk in here, press circle, kill him, and then just move on. Can the next one just be a shoot 'em up? Please. Light cruiser? Restore light? Because that'd be entertaining if it did. Oh, I didn't realize just how close to death I was. Yeah, well. Goodbye. Oh no, that's the last one. I think that have a better security. Well, I don't know. Would you put a better security system inside your own ship? Never underestimate the power of the bomb glove. The bomb glove. Just throwing bombs at people? That'd be painful. I wonder how this guy's job's doing. Gonna casually plod over to him. What the hell is that? You ain't stupid. Oh hey, there's more than one alarm button here. But only one robot. Alright, let's go. It all comes down to this. Ooh, baby. I forgot why the flagship's the best one. O2 mask activate. Boots activate. That's home. What are they firing at? Probably me.
The gunfire from those turrets is deadly. You will have to find a detour.
Like... so. Oh, hello. Oh geez, they're actually firing at me. Oh. Apparently collision detection is a thing. It just doesn't work sometimes? Maybe I glitched it that one time. Collision detection is a thing for them too. Why don't you just destroy the fact that they're towing it? Oh, The hitbox on it's bigger than I thought it was. This might be a long episode, but I'm not quitting. The music's really subtle here. Come full around, come full circle. One more pass and it should be good enough. Let's not crash face first in one of the ships. Sounds like a winning strategy to me. Mission completed. Returning to base. Okay. Why'd it give me that? Blaster wasn't the last thing I used. There we go. What were they they must have been firing at me. They must have known I was there. Then why wasn't like everything on like full points bulletin? That doesn't make any sense to me. Hopefully I was going the right way. Yeah. Hi. What? What? It's coming through the walls? Are you serious? No more. That must have been a glitch or something. Then I'll just quickly run back through those lasers and stuff. Not that I need that bolt or anything. Ooh. Wait, can I even buy the Golden Devastator? That might just be a Game Plus option. Too powerful. Jump, Ratchet, jump. Damn it. Ratchet used unscrew. Nope. It's nice how it automatically... Okay.
Tonight on Blind TV, the event you have all been waiting for, the total annihilation of an entire planet! Witness the power, the destruction, and the nothingness that follows. So join Ultimate Supreme Executive Chairman Drek as he pushes the button that ends one world and begins another. Then, stay tuned for the galaxy's funniest superhero bloopers featuring Captain Quark.
Now we know where he is. Let's get him.
Right outside my house. That bastard. And then that'll be it. It's all gonna boil down to that. Okay, it's probably gonna be one episode for like the level and one episode for the boss fight, because it's a pretty long and drawn out fight. Seriously? Let's see him squirm. Devastator, 3 bomb glove. I need more of both. Turn to launch bay. Alright guys, yeah, this is where we're gonna leave off for now. And then Felden and then the last boss. Hope I'm ready for it.